Okay, we are going to be making this like gradient looking melt and pour soap. Instead of orange, I'm going to be using yellow. So I heated up, this is about 6 ounces of clear melt and pour, and then I added in some Poppin' Pink Pigment by Stardust MICAS. So I'm going to take my rectangular mold here, and I'm gonna like set it on here so that it is at an angle. And for my fragrance, I'm going to use Nurture Soap Vanilla Cotton Candy. So let me add in my fragrance oil. Since it's the first layer, it doesn't really matter what the temperature is. So I'm going to pour it in until it gets about like 3/4 of the way up. And then I'm going to spray it with my 99% alcohol. And then we're going to wait just a couple minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to go heat up the rest of my clear melt and pour, and I will be back. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Fizzy Lemonade color block from Brambleberry, and I'm going to cut a little piece off. I'll start with like that much and put it in the soap and stir it up. So I'm going to take my mold off of an angle. So now I'm going to add my fragrance oil to the yellow soap. Okay, it's 143 degrees. I'm going to wait just a little bit till it gets in the 130s. I'm going to spray this again with some alcohol. Okay, it's about 138 degrees right now, so that works for me. And then we're going to pour it in our mold. We're not going to fill it up all the way though. Almost, but not all the way. Spray that with alcohol. And then we're gonna wait a few minutes, about 5 or 10 minutes maybe. And in the meantime, I'm going to, you can take whatever like white soap base you would like. This is goat milk, so I'm just gonna cut this up, and then in like 5 minutes, I will start to heat it up. I'm going to spray this with alcohol again to make sure this layer will stick. Okay, we're at 138, so that will work. I'm not going to put any fragrance oil in here because a lot of fragrances can discolor like the white space soap. Last time I did this design, I put some cream cheese frosting fragrance oil in the white layer and then it turned brown. I was like, oh no, we're not going to have that. So we're just going to pour this right on top. because I love glitter, we're gonna put some glitter on it too. This is some Brambleberry glitter. Spray it one more time. And then I will let this sit and we'll come back and unmold it. Okay, so it is unmolding time. I'm so excited. Ooh. I think this looks so freaking cool. And then here is the back. Yay! Oh my gosh. And then I think it, like, just on the side looks so cool. I love this design. I'm gonna do it with some other colors. I'm gonna do like maybe blue and yellow. And it's super easy too. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love this design so much. I hope you guys love it too. And if you recreate it, please let me know in the comments below. I love knowing that I've inspired someone else to be creative or to express themselves creatively. Alright guys, I love you and I will see you next time. Bye.